Go for it, Bill.
By the way, did you see that his deal didn't get approved? You say office space.
Oh, that's a good one. Side.
Die, motherfucker. Die, motherfucker.
On the side.
I need some Rammstein. I see a mice here.
Get your frustration out.
I'll take a swing at some point. Hey, did you see? I got dibs on a window.
No windows.
No windows. Oh yeah. That lot. Every time I drive past it, I open up the window. It's like I want to see it go through the metal, Bill. Show some braid. Yes. Some force. Make that little metal thing go all the way up to the top and ring that bell. Why is it stuck?
I don't know. Whoops, it was rustling.
Bill, you have a call on line 7. Bill, dealer trade on line 7.
Oh, beautiful. That's it. All right, the other side.
Oh, beautiful. I do see a tire.
Fire department is having training next weekend. Let's come out for Cash For Clunkers. Ah. I want to get these.
Yeah, right? It's an ego thing. Right on the edge of that quarter panel. Right here. Yeah. Yeah, right smack over the tire, right there.
That's solid. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, one more time, baby.
There you go.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah.
That door's
Glass windows.
It'll open.
There you go.
Twisted.
Oh, God. That is terrible.
I'd love to be just someone driving by right now. What the fuck is going on?
They had to think about it. This is what happens when you have to think about it.
Yeah. Has anyone here seen The Big Lebowski?
Yeah.
This is what happens, Larry. This is what happens. This is what happens when you fuck a stranger in the ass, Larry.
That's good.
Yeah. Motion. Yeah.
Just woke up over top of it, Jim.
Had the upside down car. Same kind of deal. It's Cash For Clunkers now. Instead of upside down, we can help.
There we go. Solid clunker.
Let's try the brakes. What are you doing, can it?
That should be a good one.
Oh.
I'm going to put it in the front.
Yep.
Who's going to write in the window? Cash For Clunkers.
Well, we're gonna make a brown whistle skip and make the sign over top of it.
You don't like playing that.
Drop an envelope.
God damn that. We're gonna have to put like one down here. You got the light there. Every day someone will be coming to work and beating her out.
Oh, why not? Every morning.